Hi. How's it going? Okay, so, you might be wondering, what in the absolute heck is on my neck? Well, I'll tell you. So basically, I've had a very, very bad crick in my neck for about 10 hours. Because I woke up at 2, and that's when the crick started. It's now 11 where I am. So, yep. It's pretty bad. It's kind of hard to bend my neck this way. And it's very easy to bend my neck this way and kind of keep it straight. But before, I couldn't even keep it straight. It's a bit better now. So, yeah, that's good and all. Anyways, we have a Unified Minds, Unbroken Bonds, and one of the older packs, Celestial Storm, with your boy Blaziken on the front of it. And I cannot wait to open this. Hopefully I can get some type of card of Blaziken out of this. Because, as I've told you before, I love Blaziken. I just love Blaziken. I mean, if they even have him in the Galar version of the game, which they probably won't, I would just so love it. Because I hope they literally, because they did have Machoke in the game. That's what I know. There's a Machoke in the game. So that means there's probably going to be so many different Pokemon in one in one game. And that's Sword and Shield. But anyways, now let's start with pack openings. So first, I kind of want to open up this Unbroken Bonds. So let's do that. Alright. And out of this, we get Sylveon and Gardevoir. Yep. That one easily opened. Alright. So I'm probably going to guess this is white. Yup. So I'm expecting something good. 1, 2, 3. And then pull out the energy. And let's see what we get. First card. It's not bad. It's a full body art Detonate. Which, it's not bad. Because it does, in total, it does 100 damage. Anyways, next card. Oh, can't even hold the card right. A rare hollow welder. Salandit. Misdrevious. Oddish. Murkrow. Sandshrew. Oh, I haven't seen this. Irogue. I know what the Pokemon is, but I just haven't seen it before. I know what the Pokemon is, I just haven't seen it on a card before. Chip Ice Axe. That sounds like a fun name for an axe that you can use to literally kill someone. Okay, look at the top 3 cards of your opponent's deck and choose one of them. Your opponent shuffles the other cards back into their deck. Then put the card you chose on top of their deck. Nice. And final card, Fairy Charm ability. That's 3 items in one pack, which is kind of surprising. Next, we have our Unified Minds packs. It's been a long time since I've had a crick in my neck. Well, I mean, I have it for a pretty good reason. I slept very funny because now I like to sleep with my pillows like this. I have two pillows stacked in this angle. Like this. So yeah, my head's like if it were this way, it'd be like this. I'd be sleeping like this. Ugh. Alright. Here we go. Unified minds. Once again. Open, you stupid freaking pack! Well, I should have called it stupid because I have a white. 1, 2, 3. Get out the energy from this. You got a fairy energy. Oh boy, what will I get? It's a channeler. It looks very, very creepy. Oh god, my neck wrap's coming off. Yeah, this neck wrap, it applies heat. Rare hollow snow runt. A honage. A fungus. A slackoth. Slack off! Slack off, you stupid piece of crap. I would definitely be slack off if I were a Pokemon, because I'm the laziest person you'll ever meet. I'm weird, and I'm lazy. Drillbur. Litwick. Litwick my pup. Weakness guard energy. I've never had that type of energy before. Woo! Orangaroo. Final card. Blaine's quiz show. Would you like to be in my quiz show? Final pack, Celestial Storm. Let's go. I didn't even need to open it with my mouth. Oh. Oh, well, I guess I won't be getting a GX card. But that's okay. At least I can still get something good. Hopefully a Blaziken. I swear to God, if you freaking... I don't want to say the word. I'll just spell it out. C-U-C-K. Me with that... with no Blaziken. Then I'll be extra angry. First card. Ooh! I could go for this. It's close. It's Satile. Satile. I'm gonna leave. Goodbye. I'm gonna... This is too big for my mouth. I got a Latios Prism. That'll go good with my Arceus Prism and my Prism Stadium card. Ooh, a Mudkip. I could give that to Miss Besaw. Miss Besaw is a very good English teacher. If you go to the middle school where I live, you better be lucky that you get Miss Besaw. Begone. Begone! Bagone, bot! Ow. Bagone, bot. Whismer. Trico. 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 Another Trico. Oh wow, another. I was joking. It's a Sableye. It's a Sableye. Mawile. Wait a minute. It says bite off. If your opponent's active Pokemon is a Pokemon GX or a Pokemon EX, this attack does 30 more damage before applying weakness and resistance. Nice. Final card, friend ball. How lovely, a friend ball. Even if it's a green card, there is a very good chance you'll still get a Prism card. I'm surprised I even got that Prism card. I got that out of sheer luck. That was just sheer, and I mean sheer luck. But wait, where's the Sceptile? Where's the Sceptile? Where's the Sceptile? Sceptile. I still need to have out that Sceptile. That Sceptile is a really good card. What's this? Nope. So, here are all my good cards. Except for Bagon. Just ignore the Bagon. Bagon, Bagon! Be gone, Bagon. So, yeah. Here's all the good cards. Ow. Ow. Yep. It still hurts. Very bad. This is a pretty good Prism card. If I can find my Arceus Prism, I can show you that. I'll go and do that real quickly. Also, because of the channeler, I get to show you these three cards. These three cards right here. I'm seeing if out of all of these freaking cards that are over 100 health, I can find the legendary Pokemon in here. Ow. Frick. Spitfire. Where in the frick are my Just give me a second, guys. I need to find them. Just give me a second. I can find them. I can find them. My neck hurts very, very badly. Oh, God. Like I said, just give me a second. Ah. Ah. Let's see if it's in any of these folders. And starting with the yellow one. Oh, yep, found them. Let's see. Where? Yeah, here it is. Yep, there's my Arceus prism. Also, since that's a... Wait a second. No, never mind. For a second there, I thought it was shiny. No, it wasn't. Yep. I have 2 Latioses as well. This gives me 3 different Latioses. Which is pretty nice. So yeah. Also, if I can, I'll find the stadium card. The prison stadium card. I think I might know where that is. Since all the energy and stadium cards I have are in here. I'm gonna need to do a lot of digging for the prism. You know, I'll find it later. For now, I just want in the video so where I can deal with this crick in my neck. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Also, comment down below if you want to see more. Hit the bell right there, right here. Also, hit the like button over here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.